Sis, can we talk? Your brows is too dark.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey, Beaten Bombay, Renee Mar here. BOOYAW! And I'm back like I never left with a natural brow dip tutorial in just 3 easy steps. So bae, if you're new here and you have a friend with some bad brows, share this video with your friend. Don't let your friend go out like that. Today I'll be using BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. She's retailed at $20 when I first purchased it, but when I looked online, it's now $9.50, so you guys are getting an even better steal for it. It comes with gel, it comes with powder, it also comes with a variety of colors, so it's really a steal. We got some variety now, sis, for under $10. What brow brands are you currently loving? Comment below. In order to follow along, here's what you'll need. Products and brushes in this tutorial will be listed below. For more step-by-step tutorials like this one, subscribe here with the notification bell turned on for weekly videos every Friday and Sunday. Boom! It's time to drop the beat and bomb out this face. You want to start with a clean, moisturized, prime face. You also want to make sure you're choosing the right tools and colors that work for you. Step 1. Dip the angled brow brush and place the brush at the lower front of your brow. Line it through your arch to the end of your brow. Step 2. Get more product and place it at the mid-top of your brow. Fill that bad baby in. They don't have to be perfect because we're going to clean them up next. Softly move the product from the bottom of your brow up, but don't put more product on your brush. Use what's there. Step 3. Clean up with concealer by outlining your new brow shape. Clean it up with a Q-tip or the same brush. And there you have it. With those 3 easy steps. I went from defeated to beat it, from boom to bomb. You can too. Beaten Bombay, you can too. You can too. Also, share this video to help others. We all gotta start from somewhere, you know? I just wanna tell your timeline, choose the right color, buy the right tools, beat that like button, boom that subscribe button, and tune in every Friday and Sunday for more content. Even more on my social media at grenade_mar. I'll be throwing bomb beauty tips there too. May your day be as bomb as you are. One thing about confetti, you gotta clean it up.